Alright, you got a 2014 through 2018 Silverado 2500, 3500, and your backup camera looks like this. And you want it to look like this. Stay tuned to this video. Alright, so to start this job, you're going to need T20 Torx bit. Take off all your screws for this access panel that's on your tailgate. You'll need T15 Torx bit with a driver. Get down here. If you can't see, just try to get down there as best you can. Right there's your camera. I've already taken off one screw. Here's your other screw right here. Loosen it up. Take it out. Remove your camera. The wiring harness goes through that opening, through your tailgate, and then through the bed right there. You come around up underneath your truck. Comes out that hole right there. The shiny black harness right here. Follow it on around. And there's your plug. Just disconnect it from the board right there. Reinstall your new camera. Run it down through the tailgate, through that hole right there, and reconnect it. Simple as that. And you'll just do everything in reverse order. Install your camera, tighten up your mounting bolts, screws, reinstall your cover plate, reinstall your screws, and it's as simple as that. So pretty much any aftermarket camera that you Google for your truck, it's going to fit this truck. So you don't have to go to GM and buy that super expensive one that they have in stock. You can go online, you can Google any cheapo one, it'll work just fine. The camera works just fine, picture works way better, in my opinion, than the stock one. It's a quick and easy install, don't need any specialized tools or anything like that. So if you like this kind of stuff, you would like, comment, subscribe. Hopefully this helps somebody out down the road. I appreciate y'all stopping in for another one. We'll catch you on the next one.